Shown here is a new master cylinder for your Mini. Here's an image of the master cylinder mounted to the brake booster after the air intake box, battery box, and fuse box have all been removed. The remaining plastic panel on the firewall must also be removed for better access to the hydraulic lines, electrical connections, and mounting nuts. For additional assistance with all of these tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Remove the plastic nut, green arrow to remove the plastic panel. Disconnect the electrical plug, green arrow, going to the DSC pressure switch at the bottom of the master cylinder if your car is equipped with DSC. Disconnect the electrical plug going into the brake fluid level sensor on the top of the brake fluid reservoir and indicated by the green arrow. Take off the brake fluid reservoir cap and carefully pry out the strainer screen inside, green arrow. Once removed, use a fluid pump or turkey baster to suck out all of the old brake fluid that you can. Remove the long T25 torque bolt, green arrow, holding the brake fluid reservoir to the top of the master cylinder. Use an 11mm flared nut wrench to loosen and remove the two hydraulic fittings on the right side of the master cylinder. Make sure to place a rag or some paper towel below the hydraulic connections before you finally remove them to catch any fluid that will leak out. This image illustrates the hydraulic fittings removed from the master cylinder. Carefully pull the line ends out of the bores on the master cylinder. Remove the two 13mm nuts that hold the master cylinder to the brake booster, green arrows. Now carefully pull the master cylinder off the brake booster. You may hear a slight hissing as you separate the master cylinder from the booster. This is normal as the brake booster is depressurizing. Now pull the brake fluid reservoir off the top of the master cylinder and set it aside with the clutch hose still attached. Remove the DSC pressure switch from the old master cylinder and fit it to the new master cylinder. Also replace the included O-ring around the new master cylinder. Installation is the reverse of removal. You must now completely bleed the brake system using a mini scan tool as you've introduced air prior to the ABS system. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.